Okay.
Good evening, children. So, 2 marks questions in trigonometry. So, first question, page number 274. In a right angle triangle ABC, right angle is at C. So, BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeters. BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. So, we need to find sin A value and tan B value. So given that in a right angle triangle ABC, right angle at C, BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeters and BC minus CA is equal to 7 centimeters. So we need to find out the values of BC, AC and AB. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So adding 1 and 2, we get, so BC plus CA is equal to 23 centimeter, 23. BC minus CA is equal to 7. So when you are adding, symbols doesn't change. CA get cancelled. 2BC is equal to 30. So 2 gets cancelled 15 times. So BC is equal to 15 centimeters. Now put BC is equal to 15 in equation 1. So 15 plus CA is equal to 23. CA is equal to 23 minus 15. So CA is equal to 8 centimeters. Now, so CAB. So BC gets 15, AC gets 8. So now we need to find the value of AB. So by Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to BC square plus AC square. So AB square is equal to 15 square plus 8 square. So 15 square means 225 and 8 square means 64. We'll get 289. AB square is equal to, so AB is equal to square root of 289. So AB is equal to 17 centimeters. Because 17 into 17 is equal to 289. So now we need to find out the value of given value sin A. Sin means opposite. That means BC by hypotenuse AB. So BC is 15 and hypotenuse is 17. But tan B. So tan B means, so opposite AC, hypotenuse AB. So 8 by 17. So AC tan B 8 by opposite by adjacent, 15. Next question, second one. So if A and B, C are interior angles of the triangle ABC, then show that sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So given that A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC. So we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degrees. So we need the value of a. So b plus c is equal to 180 minus a. So b plus c by 2 is equal to 180 degrees by 2 minus a by 2. Since divide by 2 on both sides. So b plus c by 2 is equal to 90 minus a by 2. So applying sign on both sides. So sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus a by 2. So sin b plus c by 2 is equal to sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we get cos a by 2. Hence proved. Now third question. So page number 290. So given that sin c is equal to 15 by 17. So we know the identity 1. Sin square a plus cos square a is equal to 1. So based on this, sin square c plus cos square c is equal to 1. Sin square c is equal to 1 minus cos square c. Sin c is equal to square root of 1 minus cos square c. Okay. So we'll get the another value. Cos square c is equal to 1 minus sin square c. Cos c is equal to square root of 1 minus sin square c. So we need to find the value of cos c. So we have sin value. Cos c is equal to 1 minus 15 by 17 whole square under square root. So cos c is equal to 1 minus 15 square means 225, 17 square means 289 under square root. Cos c is equal to under square root 289 by 225 by 289. Cos c is equal to, we'll get 64 by 289. So 289 minus 225, we'll get 46. So cos c is equal to 8 by 17. And the next question, tan x is equal to 5 by 12. So secant x is equal to question mark. We know that identity 2, secant square x minus tan square x is equal to 1. So secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. Secant x is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square x. Substitute the value of tan x, 5 by 12 whole square under square root. 1 plus 5 square means 25, 12 square means 144. So secant x. Secant x is equal to 144 plus 25 by 144 under square root. So 169 by 144. So secant x is equal to 13 by 12. And the fifth question, cosecant theta is equal to 25 by 7. Cot theta is equal to how much? we know that identity 2, identity 3, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So cot theta is equal to cot square theta minus is equal to 1 minus cosecant square theta. So cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Cot theta is equal to square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So we have cosecant theta 25 by 7 whole square minus 1 under square root. 25 square means 625, 7 square means 49 minus 1. So 625 minus 49 by 49. So 625 minus 49, we get 15, 6, we get 1, 7, 576. So 576 by 49. 576 means 24 by 7 is equal to cot theta. So that's all for today, children. Hope you enjoy the video.